Okay, this is experiment 7, design a USB connector. And so this one that's moving is the plug, and this is the port, and the tracks are made by running what used to be resistor leads on perf board. And the red goes off on connection. There you go. And the green goes off once the it's fully connected. All right. And the ground on the port side goes all the way around. It's just a little bit shorter than the power side. And it's powered by this Arduino. On the port side, 2 fingers come down, one for the ground, one for the power. And a third comes up at the end, and that is the green LED ground, whereas the front is the red LED ground. And how it's look in the actual port is the ground. This is the front side facing it, so it's a normal port with an extra power for the LED, which wouldn't deliver the same amount of current as the plus 5 volt power that would normally be there. And the ground comes forward to the front side of the port. And the reason why I did that is because I figured the LED power doesn't need to have access to the full power of the port, which could be as much as 3 amps, which wouldn't be good in case it shorted. And if the ground shorts, that shouldn't be a problem, as most of the case is grounded. And here's a side view. So the ground extends forward to the front and is missing that back half right there. All right, and here is the plug side. So the green LED connector is at the rear, not connected to the ground, which is the strip that goes all the way to the rear and is gapped from here to the red LED connector. So while it's inserting, the red and ground are connected all the way until it reaches this gap where the red connector disconnects and the green connector connects.